Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nanat from Gimbi, Ethiopia, and in this channel I will be teaching you how to speak Afan Oromo. Afan Oromo is widely spoken in Gimbi, Ethiopia. So, how we can learn Afan Oromo in a simple way? First, let us learn greeting. Good morning. In English, good morning is for everyone, but it is not the same to Afan Oromo. Okay, in Afan Oromo, we can say Akam Bulte for singular. Akam Bultani, it is for plural, also for older person. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Akam olte. In Afan Oromo, we can say Akam olte for singular. The other one is Akam oltani. It is for plural. Okay. Also for older person. Good evening. Good evening. Akam isfatte. Good evening. Akam isfatte. In our country, it is not familiar. The other one is how are you? How are you? In Afan Oromo, we can say Akam jirta. Akam jirta. How are you? Akam jirta. I am fine. And you? And you? In Afan Oromo, we can say Aninagada. Aninagada. Atiho. Atiho. Aninagada. Atiho. Most of the time we use Akam Bulte, Akam Bultani. Akam olte, Akam oltani. This is all about greeting. What is your name? What is your name? Your name. What is your name? Maqaan kee eenyu? In Afan Oromo we can say Maqaan kee eenyu? My name is Maqaan kee eenyu? My name is Kenna. If I can say my name is Kenna, in Afan Oromo we can say Maqaan koo Kennaadha. Okay. What was that again? What was that again? What was that again? Eenyu jette? Eenyu jette? We can say my name is Kenna. Maqaan koo Kennaadha. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. Siwali wal baruun koo na gammachiiseera. I am happy to meet you. Si waliin wal baruun koo na gammachiiseera. I am happy to meet you too. To meet you too. Anis akkasuma. Anis akkasuma. I am happy to meet you too. Anis akkasuma. In Afaan Oromo we can say anis akkasuma. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? In Afaan Oromo we can say eessa deemaa jirta. Okay, eessa deemaa jirta. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. In Afaan Oromo we can say gabaan deemaa jira. Gabaan deemaa jira. I am going to the market. Gabaan deemaa jira. Breakfast. Ciree. Breakfast. In Afaan Oromo we can say ciree. Lunch. Laaqana. Lunch. In Afaan Oromo we can say laaqana. Dinner. Irbaata. Food. Nyaata. Water. Bishaan. Food. Nyaata. Water. Bishaan. I like nan jaalladha. I like nan jaalladha. I don't like hin jaalladhu. I don't like hin jaalladhu. What are you doing? What are you doing? Maal hojjetaa jirta? What are you doing? Maal hojjetaa jirta? I am eating my breakfast. Ciree kun nyaata jira. I am eating my breakfast. Ciree kun nyaata jira. It is cloudy. In Afaan Oromo we can say duumessa'a duumessaa'aa jira. It is cloudy. Duumessaa'aa jira. It is raining. Raining. Bokkaatu roobaa jira. It is raining. Bokkaatu roobaa jira. It is cold. It is cold. Qorraa jira. Qorraa jira. Or qabbanaa'aa jira. Both are the same. It is cold. Qorraa jira. Or qabbanaa'aa jira. Okay? I have qaba. I have qaba. I don't have hin qabu. I don't have hin qabu. We have qabna. We don't have hin. We don't have hin qabnu. We don't have hin qabnu. We don't have hin qabnu. God. In Afaan Oromo we can say Waaqayyo, or Waaqa. Both are the same. God, Waaqayyo, or Waaqa. Jesus. Jesus. God bless you. Waaqayyo si haa eebbisu. Waaqayyo si haa eebbisu. Waaqayyo isin haa eebbisu. God bless you. Waaqayyo si haa eebbisu. For singular, we can say Waaqayyo si haa eebbisu. For plural and for interperson, we can say Waaqayyo isin haa eebbisu. Waaqayyo isin haa eebbisu. Thank you. Galatomi. Galatoma. Thank you. Galatomi. For singular, we can say Galatomi. For plural and for interperson, we can say Galatoma. Thank you for watching this video. This is what I have today. I will continue next class. Thank you. I love you, all of you. Bye. Have a nice time.